We came at Tim's uncle's wood place. He can't speak any word in English. He's only speaking Finnish. But here is his workplace right now, and we are checking all his artworks. These are all the materials and everything, tools that he's making everything with wood. And these are all just how he's making his wooden stuff. So you can see it over here. Let me just show you. These are what he's making with wood. And let me show you from the other side. I'll show you another thing. And as you can see, these are all what Auntie's making with wood by himself. He's just enjoying making things with wood. Just trying to pass over here. Everything that you can see in here, he's all making them with wood, and even that little chair. And yeah, this is somehow like his workshop. It used to be a cowshed. Now he's just using it for his artwork. Just trying to show you some other stuff that Auntie made. Like everything that you see here is all being made by Auntie. This one, these chairs, like these. He made them all by himself. All those. So apparently, Auntie, Tim's uncle, making all those wooden stuffs, and he's selling them apparently. I didn't know that, but not like internationally. What he is making is so creative. He's very, very clever now making these things. Now we're going to this is smoke sauna. Smoke sauna is one of the most traditional saunas in Finland, history of Finland. And Antti, Tim's uncle, he made this smoke sauna. I'm just going to show you how it actually looks as a traditional smoke sauna. So as you can see, this is like how it looks from outside. It's really cold right now. So the door is literally very, very tiny. You need to actually bend to pass. Tim, could you please go there so I can show? So you can see the door is really, the door is really small. We need to actually bend and then come inside. So this is, I'm not sure if you can see anything in here or not, but literally this is where they put warm, basically coal, right? This is coal. You can see all the coal over there, and they make it warm from down there. And what you need to do is to actually go up there. I don't know if we can show it or not. Let me just go with my camera light. Alright, so I actually just made it with my camera light. So what you need to do is to you actually coming up here, and then you sit in here in the sauna, and you put water on these coals, and you sit right there on top of the actual sauna.
Here, just put some wood here for the time being.
Okay.
Probably using it more in the summertime.
Yeah, they're using it more in summertime. So what they do is actually they just come into this sauna, a smoke sauna, and then straight after they go out inside, they go out into the river. Let me just show you if I can. It's quite slippery in here, so I can't really go down there. So if you see down there, there's a kind of river flowing. So they're coming out from the sauna. And then straight after they go to the river in summertime. These are some special berries. You can actually eat them. Turtu, that's what it calls. You literally just smashed in my hand. Yikes. I like the taste. It's quite weird, but very nice. Yeah. This is where Auntie puts all his woods, storing his woods. And that shed, as you see, as I said, used to be cowshed. Now he's using it as his artworks and stuffs for his wooden stuffs. And this is his house. So we're going in for a coffee, and then we will go back to Helsinki tonight. And this place that we just walk into is actually used to be, or is he still using it? So it's like a smokehouse. I can't really transfer the smoky smell in here, but it used to be a smoke. No, it used to. They're still using it. So they literally making fish smoked in here.
Some sausage.
Also sausage. So it smells like a really, really good smoky smell. Let me just close it up. This is really cold. Okay.
You can sit next to the chimney. It takes all the smoke out at the top.
Okay. Oh. Also, they've got some kind of rabbits in here. What were they calling rabbits again?
Finnish for rabbit is JANIS.
JANIS, yeah.
JANIS.
So we were seeing some footprints of JANIS. Okay, so we're going in for a coffee.
In the shelter.
They're waiting for us for coffee, Tim.
Built this as well.
Oh, Auntie built this. Okay, apparently Tim's uncle also built this place. Oh, that's a barbecue in there. Wow.
This is for the summertime. Nice place to sit.
Nice. Okay. So this is where they bring in when they're hunting the elks. Oh, in my shoes. They bring in the elks and they obviously cleaning it in here. And these are all bones of elks. Bones again. Bones. And they're definitely cleaning everything here. Wow. So how heavy is an elk? Is it like 1 ton?
A grown up is like, I would say 150, 170.
Okay, gosh. Oh, look at all these. I like it. And here you wait, like how much meat you want to take out from them, and then you weight it from here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have a... Wow. This is cool in here. So you're hanging them from there with that. You're hanging the elks.
Yeah.
And then you start skinning the elk.
Yeah.
Wow.